What's going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Vin here, and thank you once again for tuning into my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 3 Rolex collection I think you can have. Now, you might guess what number 1 is because I made an unboxing video and a review on this, which you should have checked it out already. Please go check it out and give it a thumbs up. Now, coming in at number 1, we have the Rolex Submariner, reference number 114060. And it doesn't have to be the 114060, which people refer to as the no date, which in reality is just called the Rolex Submariner. And the Rolex Submariner date is the one that has the cyclops of the date, but everyone refers to this as the no date. So I do recommend the number 1 slot being a no date Submariner. And the reason is because you don't want to get too repetitive, in my opinion, with having a cyclops on every single one of your Rolex watches. So coming in at number 1 is my baby, the Rolex Submariner, reference number 114060. And I have this coming at the number 1 spot because I think it is the most versatile watch there is. As you can see from watching my review and unboxing video, I'm just purely in love with this watch. It goes with anything you wear. Any situation fits perfectly. I already wore this watch to weddings. I wore it into the pool. There's a reason why this was a James Bond watch, because it is badass. Coming in at number 2, I want eventually to own a Rolex GMT Master 2 in the Pepsi. It is so sexy to me, that red and the blue on the bezel. And I'm not sure yet if I want to own the new stainless steel, which I will put a picture of over here, or if I want to own an older reference of the Pepsi GMT, which I'll put another picture up as well. I'm not sure if I want a vintage or new. I'm not too sure how I feel about vintage watches. I know that the bracelet I won't love on the vintage watch, because Rolex older bracelets, let's be honest, are not the best, but they are kicking ass in the bracelet category now, as we all know. But I want the GMT because you have a Submariner, okay, you have a diver. Now you have a GMT. It's 2 completely different functions of a watch, and they're 2 totally different watches, because you have the black Submariner, then I will have a Pepsi bezel GMT. So it just gives you the variance right there. The Submariner doesn't have a date. The GMT, of course, does have the cyclops on there, but it's okay because I already have a Rolex without a cyclops. Now I have one with the cyclops, so I'm not getting too repetitive here. So the Pepsi GMT is my all-time favorite Rolex. It's what got me more into the love of watches that I have now. As soon as I saw that red and blue, I had to go out and purchase the Seiko SKX, which I did a review on as well. Check that out. There's something about that red and blue bezel that just attracts my eye right away, and I love it. So hopefully, I don't know, maybe the next 5 or so years I can get my hands on another Rolex, and hopefully that is the Rolex GMT Master 2 with the Pepsi bezel. Alright, so number 3, if I had to have a 3-watch Rolex collection, the number 3 would have to be a Rolex Daytona. I mean, come on, it is one of the most iconic Rolexes there is. And I'm not sure which, I'm gonna put my top 2 choices of Daytonas up here on the screen. I do like the all-new black with the black dial and black ceramic bezel. That watch is so badass. And okay, I will have a Submariner, a GMT, and Daytona. We have the chronograph, we have the GMT function, and we have the diver. 3 watches, 3 different functions, 3 different looks. Some people could argue that the Daytona and the Submariner might be too competitive because it's the black with the black, but I don't have to get the all black Daytona. There's other options available. So I just think this is the best 3-watch Rolex collection you could have because it's so diversified. 3 different looks. 1 with the cyclops, 2 without the cyclops. I will put the 2 different variations of the Daytona I would love to have. If I had to have a grail piece, that if I had millions of dollars, I would have to go for the all gold Daytona with the Oyster Flex rubber bracelet. I know a lot of people are not a fan of maybe having a gold watch with a rubber bracelet because they feel like it makes it too sporty looking instead of dressy. But I'm telling you, I tried this on at an AD and it feels beautiful. It still feels hefty. It does not feel like flabby rubber at all. It feels solid. To wrap up this video, this would be my 3 watch Rolex collection that I would have if I could only pick 3, and I already have number 1, baby. So I hope this collection continues to grow with 2 more. And thank you so much again for tuning into the channel, watching my video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts when I post new videos. And thank you guys so much for tuning in once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.